Hi guys, it's your girl Natalie back at it again with another video for you guys. This video will be a little fun. It's about me. I'll be answering some personal questions, playing a YouTube tag, so you guys could get to know me a little bit better. So, without no further interruptions, let's get to it. Alright, first question. What is your name? Hello, my name is Natalie Stewart. Number 2, what is my zodiac sign? I am a Pisces. Alright, question number 3. What are 3 fears that I have? Alright, so one fear would be heights. I'm scared of heights. 2 would be crickets. Crickets is like my worst thing ever. Just the thought of them. And 3 would be drowning. And I don't know why, because I know how to swim, but I still get that, like my heart starts beating every time like I'm in deep water, or like when I'm in like the beach and like the waves are really high and like it takes me away sometimes and I have to swim back to shore. Sometimes it's really scary because the winds be so strong and I be feeling like they trying to take me away early. But yeah, that's my 3 fears. Question number 4. 3 things that I love. 1, God. 2, family. And 3, dancing. Always love dancing. Still love dancing. Dancing is my number 1 thing. So, 3. Question number 5. Who are your best friends? Alright, so of course my best friend is Shafar. Everybody knows that. But I also have Avery and Patrick. They're also my other 2 guy best friends. So, yeah. Those are my 3 best friends. Shafar, Avery, and Patrick. Question number 6. Last song I listened to. It was probably a Drake song on the radio just now when I was driving. But I don't remember the names of his songs. Or a matter of fact, I don't remember none of the names of the new songs that come out on the radio. So please forgive me. But I just know it was Drake, okay? Don't judge me. Question number 7. 3 turn-ons. 1 would be honesty. 2 would be independent, because I'm independent, so I feel like you have to be independent too. And 3 would be good manners. Always a turn on when you have good manners. Question number 8. 3 turn-offs. Alright, so my first turn-off would be people who smoke a lot, if that makes sense. Like if you're smoking maybe once every time you go out with your friends to have a good time, I think that's fine. I wouldn't do it personally, but if you do it, that's fine. But if you gotta smoke before you eat every day, before you sleep every day, before you go to work every day, before you go to school every day, it's like, to me, not my thing. If you do that, that's really a turn off my side. I'm sorry. 2 would be cockiness. I hate somebody who's cocky. Especially somebody who's cocky and don't have nothing to be cocky over. Oh, and 3 is somebody who thinks they know it all the time. Like, you know those people who always think they know everything, always want to correct you even though you know what you're doing. Yeah, those people. How many tattoos, piercings do I have? I have no tattoos. I would want a tattoo. I always did want one, but I'm scared of needles. I'm scared of pain, so don't think I'm going to be ever getting one, but they do look nice. How many piercings do I have? technically 5. I have 2 right here, and I have my belly ring pierced. How do I feel right now? Well, I'm a little sleepy. It's about 9:53 p.m. and I'm used to going to sleep at like 6 o'clock p.m. every day. Don't judge me. So I'm a little sleepy, and sorry. And I'm a little cold. I got this blanket. I'm cold. My parents have the heat on 70, but it feels like 40. Meaning behind my username. Well, my username is Natalie's Virgin Bundles because I am the CEO, the Presidente of Natalie's Virgin Bundles. So when I made my YouTube channel, I really just wanted to promote my hair, but I also wanted to promote myself as well. So I was like, why not make it Natalie's Virgin Bundles, because that's my company. So yeah. My favorite movie is Titanic. Hands down, best movie ever. It actually made me cry. Like but it was the best movie ever. Like, there's no movie that I ever watched that compared to Titanic. Titanic is #1. It always will be #1. My favorite artist. Popcorn. Yep, it would be Popcorn. I love him. 3 things that upset me. 3 things that upset me would be: 1, when people make me feel like I'm not good enough, like I can't do something. It really gets me upset, because it's like, why would you let me feel like that? And I know I could do it. Like, I believe in myself, so why don't you believe in me? Nah, but another one is people who yell at me. Like, I hear you, I'm not deaf, you don't got to yell at me. I think it's so disrespectful. So, yeah, people who yell at me like I'm some 2-year-old or something. And 3, something that upsets me. Oh, people who drive slow in the fast lane. I gotta scream that out for people who actually listen to this video or watch this video. And if you was driving 30 miles per hour in the fast lane, that's all the way on the left side. For those who don't know, nothing like that grinds my gears. So yes, I will honk at you. I will flash you with my headlights. Those 3 things get me upset. 3 things that make me happy. 3 things that make me happy. Oh, clocking out of work. You know, when you swipe your time card, best feeling ever. 2, getting my hair done. I love getting my hair done. And 3 would have to be getting new customers and getting new clients. You know, as a business owner, it's always a good feeling when you have when you get a new client or a new customer. There's no other better feeling than that. Someone I miss. It would have to be my niece, Azanaya. I haven't seen her in like months, no, years. So I miss her a lot. Someone I love. My parents. My relationship with my parents. Well, we're really close. I don't live with them, but I talk to them every day. My favorite holiday, I would have to say my birthday, because my birthday is a national holiday. Are you dumb? Someone famous I'll date. popcorn. Ha! He's probably short because, like, he looks so short. But he's, like, so down to earth and funny. So, yeah. A confession. When I was younger and my parents went to sleep, I used to eat sugar. I used to take a spoon and like dip the spoon in the sugar container and just eat it like that. I was much younger back then, but I was young. 3 things that annoy me easily. People who be hitting me, like, you know, people who be laughing and hitting you, like, you know, when people laugh and they're like, ha ha ha, and then they hit you, it's like, that's mad annoying. And 2, when you keep calling my name, like, you know, when you're having a conversation with somebody and they're like, yeah, Natalie, yeah, Natalie, Natalie, yeah, Natalie. I know my name. You clearly know my name. So why you gotta call it at the beginning, the middle, and the end of your sentence? That's wild annoying. And 3 would be when I'm trying to go home from work and my boss tells me he wants me to stay a couple of hours for overtime, like I'm asking him for the extra money. If I don't need it, I don't want it. Period. I don't need it, I don't want it. Period. Period. My favorite food, macaroni and cheese. Everybody knows that. That's all I eat. That's all I ever have eaten. I could eat that as a full course meal with nothing else, just mac and cheese. If it's made the right way. You have to know how to make it. Cause trust me, if you don't make it right, I guarantee you, I probably won't tell you it don't taste good, but you just won't ever see me ask you to make it or ever come to your house for Christmas, Thanksgiving, no holiday, because you make nasty mac and cheese. And with nasty mac and cheese, you mess up the whole dinner table. Like, all right, so last question, guys. Do I smoke and do I drink? Definitely don't smoke. Definitely don't smoke nothing. I don't smoke hookah. I don't smoke cigarettes. I don't smoke weed. I don't smoke nothing. I drink occasionally, but not a lot because it hurts my stomach. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you guys. I would like to give a shout out to my baby Jenna. Hi Jenna, thank you so much for watching my videos. It means the world to me. But everybody else, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!